things really any good? And what in the world can I use them for? Hi everybody, I'm Basso Contour. Stay tuned, let's check it out. Well, it's actually very simple to use these units. On the rear of the unit, you simply attach the positive and negative. Red is positive, black is negative. And this unit has a couple fuses, just in case. So be sure everything's nice and tightened up first. Now all of the units look pretty much the same. As you can see here, you simply are going to plug in your AC cord, and there's an on-off switch, and there's even a few USB connections on this product. Of course, you can hook up the 12 volts right from a car battery, but in this test I'm actually using a portable jump starter to give you an idea of the possibilities. And I show here how I connected it up with the little clamps. Very simple. So let's turn the power on and let's get these Christmas lights going. Yay! Christmas in March. Or wait, February. Well, suppose you just have to have that AM/FM radio going. Well, here's an example of that. Let's crank up the power and check out the radio. Of course, during a power outage, you have to have power for your jigsaw. I was also curious if I could get this little Dirt Devil vacuum going, and in fact I did get it going. So keep in mind, inverters like this are great for running small appliances in your home, but certainly not for large motors such as your furnace or pool equipment. But other than that, they work just great. In Dublin, California, I'm Basso Contour. Thanks for watching, everybody. Well, I admit this might be a little overkill, but in case of a power outage, I wanted to make sure my wife could still use the vacuum. I figured that was very important to her. Let's give it a try. Okay, on, here we go. Oh,